Guys, what's going on? It's Bobby from Hull Gamers here, and yeah, not Harry's not joining us today because of the exam seasons. Now, quick update: the exams finish on Monday, coming up, so expect a lot more Minecraft to be happening, and a lot more frequent updates. So yeah, today's video, I'm just doing a quick video on how to make a LAN world, like the LAN world we're currently doing on our channel. So yeah, what I'm going to do quickly first is I'm going to create a new folder, and this is where I'm just going to call it tutorial. Um, this is where we're going to be putting the Minecraft server as it is over here. Just, I don't know, just for reference, okay? So, okay, first of all, I want you to open Google. Now, this is a really easy process and really easy to do. So, we're going to start off with the easiest. I'm currently running Minecraft 1.5.2. So, what I want you to do is go to www.minecraft.net, and it's there. Minecraft.net. Then you come onto Minecraft's official home website. Okay, so once you are on Minecraft.net, you're thinking where to go. Under here where it says play Minecraft, I want you to click download. Now, this is where you download Minecraft to play on it, but as you can see here, multiplayer server. So what I want you to do, guys, is if you're running Windows, because this is a Windows tutorial, sorry to say that about Mac, or Linux, or whatever you call it. What you got to do if you're on Windows, you just click on this Minecraft server.exe, and you wait for it to load, which it is down here. Sorry about that, I have a bit of a sore throat. Okay, so this is just about done. I've loaded it up here. I'm on Google Chrome. Obviously, it's a bit different if you're using Internet Explorer and Firefox and such as. But on Google Chrome, it just pops up down here. And what I want you to do is not double click like that, because I've just thought of something. You need to drag this. Oh, that's my other Minecraft server. Sorry about that. Let me just get rid of that. I'm going to drag this onto my desktop and place it in the tutorial folder, which I just made. Okay, so now you're in the tutorial folder and you've only got the Minecraft server. Now once you have run it, like this, you will see a text box come up like this, loads of different shit. This is basically the world that you're creating for your LAN world is just spawning now and just creating. So this is your LAN world coming to life. Now it could take some time to get this all the way to 100%, but when you've got your server up and running and you put it on Minecraft, it's honestly like a second to start up. Okay, so I'm just going to do /stop, which shuts down the server completely, and it's just saving the chunks of the world, and it should just cancel off in a minute. So until then, come on, there you go. Alright, okay, so now you can see we've got all this. Now, I'm going to quickly go through this. So first of all, what we want to do is go onto the server properties. So we load this up, and this is basically the settings that your LAN world will be following. So you can allow the Nether. You can change the level name to what? Hull Gamers. Hull Gamers. You can allow flight. It doesn't really matter like this. Most of this doesn't matter. It's just if it's for personal preferences, really. I mean, if you've got a really cool seed, like a really cool world on your single player, just copy paste the seed into your level seed there. Server IP you don't need to worry about. Now, NPCs, so height limit, not really needed. Hardcore mode, for those of you who don't know what hardcore mode is that you die once and it ends, so it's pretty pointless on a server. Don't really matter about a texture pack. Now you get to this thing here called whitelist, and for those people who have never played on a multiplayer server, which is pretty hard to believe, this is like you have two different types of server. You have a public server and a whitelist server. Now this whitelist server, if you enable it, to enable things you just type in true or false. So if I enable whitelist, I can select who I want in my server. Sorry about that, excuse me. So whitelist is on, so you go file and just save. And you've saved it and then you can cancel it. Now I've put a whitelist on. So now we go on the whitelist text, and in here you write the Minecraft usernames of all the people you want allowed. So for example, my name's Bobby Ward on Minecraft. So when I save this, he will be able to play on this server, but only him. But say if I put Riot underscore control, I've spelled his name wrong. There you go. I can remember Harry's gamertag kind of thing off by heart now because I've played with him that much. This is Harry's. So if I file and save this, then only me and Harry will be able to play on the server. And even if you know the server IP, the MP4 address, as we would call it, if you know that, you still won't be able to play on because it's whitelisted. So that's just for personal preferences. It's up to you. Okay, so now you have ops. Now, ops or OPs are like admins of a server or the owners of a server. So obviously, I would want to be an op because then it will allow me to spawn things in, change the time, change game mode, change the difficulty, just whatever you want, what you can do on Minecraft, you get it. But other players who are not on the op list will not be able to do. Will just be able to play vanilla Minecraft and just survival. Okay, so that's basically the ops, whitelist, and server properties sorted. Now we have banned players. Now, as you can see, this on the screen is just showing what I should be telling you. You can ban people on the server by doing /ban. You write this on the server. If you're going to ban someone, you do /ban, then you put his name, so Bobby Ward. You don't need to put the date, you don't need to put banned by, and you can put banned until, but you can put /ban Bobby Ward griefing. And then if you put that on a server, you'll ban the person for griefing. But on this, you can just write players, for example, Bobby Ward. So if I save that now, I would be banned off my own server, which is pretty stupid. So yeah, this is the banned players. All the players if you banned will end up on this. Don't need to save that. And you can do the same for banned RPs, but banned RPs, you might as well just ban the player instead of the RP. I don't really see the point in it. Okay, now, the world here, this little folder, is the world that you're spawning. So this is a really good opportunity to put in different worlds that you've downloaded and stuff like that. For example, if you have a really cool world on single player, you can drag, you do it like this, right? I don't think I have many, I don't actually, right, one minute. You type that in on your search bar at the bottom, left hand screen where my cursor is. It goes to roaming, then you do .minecraft, and then you got saves, and then it's like you've got your world, but I don't honestly play single player too much because I'm too busy playing with Harry and stuff like that. So you've got your bin and all that stuff where you download mods and stuff, but yeah, your worlds will pop up on there, and then you can just drag them over into here and delete this one. But we don't obviously have one to show that, so we can't. So basically, that's what happens on a Minecraft server. Now, when you load up your Minecraft server like this, it should be a lot quicker. There you go. It says preparing level Hull Gamers, because as you can remember from the the server properties, I named it Hull Gamers. This place is like the client, so it'll tell you who's joining the game, who's leaving the game, who's doing what, who's doing that. And on this, if you do /help, you have all these commands. You have 6 pages of commands to opt people. It shows you all the commands that you can do off the console and the ops on the game can do. And you have all the commands access and stuff like that. So it's a pretty useful thing for when you can't be bothered to play Minecraft but your friend is. You can always look over and see what he's doing, and if you do see him, do something that I don't think is good enough or I don't agree with, just easy slash ban, and then ban ban and then his name, and then if I do slash ban it'll tell I have an error, but I'll just do it for sake. Banned player Bobby Ward. There you go. And I can do slash unban Bobby Ward. Nope, I can't do that. Sorry about that. Also, when players log on to your server, there will be a list of them down there. So if you don't know the names who's on your server, you can just see and just do ban, basically. Okay, so I'm going to do slash stop. Slash stop is a safe way to close down your server. Basically saves it all and everything. So I'm just going to go on ban players, and Bobby Ward will be here forever. I'll just delete that. Save, and I'm unbanned, basically. Now that's basically in-depth tutorial on the Minecraft server, but it will not just work like that because you don't have an IP or anything. So next thing I want to do, which I think is the easiest way, instead of port forwarding, which is a very detailed and hard thing to do if you have the incorrect router. So what I want you to do is go back to Google and search Hamachi. Not Hanachi. Hamachi. And there you go, I've been on it before. Download Logmein Hamachi. So you go on this website and you come here. Now, what you want to do is just click on download now, and you've got to tick that. Download it. Don't bother about getting the managed version because I think you have to pay for it by judging by buy now. So just get unmanaged, and it's basically just like a free like what do you call it? Just like a light game kind of thing. I don't really know how to explain it. So once you've downloaded it, you have to go through an installation setup, but I'm not going to do that because honestly, it's easy as piss, and I have it downloaded anyway. So I'm just going to close that, and I'm going to go to Hamachi. Now let's hope I have Hamachi, and I hope it's working. So you open up Hamachi, and there, I'm online. Now this is for our server, our LAN World server, and our series, this thing. But what you got to do, you obviously won't have this bit here at the start. You go network, create a new network, and then you put a network ID which is just called whatever, so just call it tutorial. Password, you don't need a password if you don't want to, but it's 12. I'll just put it as 123, like that. And oh, tutorial has been taken, so I'm gonna put like loads of 9s. Alright. Okay, tutorial nan. Right, that's done. And that's your network joined. Now, if you want people to join your network, you need to go and join an existing network. And then obviously you'd put in tutorial 99999, or whatever, how many I put. And then the password is 123, and then people like Harry will join this network. So yeah. Okay, so now you've got your Hamachi set up, everything like that. Now you just need to go to Minecraft, and I will show you what it's done. Log in. Come on, load up Minecraft. Is Minecraft being idiot? No, it's not. It's loading. Okay, so just waiting on Minecraft here. You go on multiplayer, and these are all the servers I play on, obviously. Griefing server, don't pay attention to that. Okay, so we're on here, and for people who are joining, like say if Harry wanted to join me, you'd have to copy my IPv4 address. Now, it sounds complicated, but it's really not. Basically, what you gotta do is there, copy. There you go. And say if I was joining Harry's server, I'd have to copy that and put it into this, and he'd have to do the same, which is my IPv4 address is, if I can click on this, is that. So basically, you join that to get in. So for this part of the tutorial, I am going to use the LAN world. So I'm just going to load up the LAN world. Run. Right, let's get this online. Alright, we're online. Okay, so if you're the host, if you like created it, you can just type in basically local. If it lets me click on it yet. No, you're not letting me do it. There we go. Local host. Just do that. And I can just get on the laggy as hell, but I can get on my LAN server. But obviously, if you're other people who want to join yours, they'll have to copy your IPv4 address. Which man is that? If they join that, you just get on the same server, and it's easy as that. And there you have it. Easy as that. You've got a Hamachi running. You've got your LAN world running. Look, it says Bobby's logged in. Bobby's lost connection, but lost connection just basically means quit. Basically that's it. It's really easy to do, and I really hope I've taught it well to you, because I can understand it, but I just hope you can understand it after this video. So just a quick run through again. You just download the Minecraft server off minceraft.net, download Hamachi, create a new network, create the network that you want to call it, mess about with your settings if you want, and then just get your mates to type in your IPv4 address, and you will join your Minecraft server. Easy as that, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. This has been quite a long video. I really do hope you've enjoyed this in-depth tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server. Keep watching, like, comment and subscribe. If you do find any problems with this tutorial, don't be scared to put something in the comment section, because honestly, I'd love to help, and if I haven't taught you the right way, then I can correct myself or something like that. So yeah, sorry about the lack of uploads, guys. I just thought I needed to do this one just to show that we're still working and we're still going to be uploading. So yeah, yet again, thank you for watching this video. If you really liked it, give us a like. Just like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.